Students, in a previous class of logo, we have learned how to use arithmetic with MSW logo. There only we have learned how to use the different kinds of operators like plus, minus, multiplication, divisions in calculations. Then only we have learned without the operators by using the special words like sum, then quotient, then subtract, how to do the calculations. So this chapter has done by doing different kinds of calculations by using the different logo commands. Now we are going to start our chapter 8, that the title is as more MSW logo commands. The chapter is going to be little bit different. Here only first we will play with words, how to print word, how to print a list of words or a sentence, etc. So let's start and enjoy this class. As you know, the drawing area is used to display the shapes what is drawn by the logo commands, but the arithmetics, when we did the arithmetics, that will be printed to the recall list box. Here also this thing is going to be same. When you print something like that way, text, when you print text like word, letter or sentences, that is going to be printed to the recall list box. So let's see how it works. First, as like in your book, it has described that an MSW logo word is a group of character produced by double quotes. So the first example that has given here, how to display a word. How to display a word? As you already know that PR or print command is used to display something. First, we will be just going to display a word or a group of numbers by using PR command. Then only a single side double quote needed. Then only by pressing enter key, we will print a list of letters or a list of numbers. So let's see how it works. As I have written PR command at first because it will print the group of letters or a word. Then only single quote, single side double quote. It identifies that we are going to print, whenever you are going to print a group of letters or a group of numbers without a space, then only one side double quote needed. I have already written that. In that manner you will also write and press enter key. See, the word has come to the recall list box. Next, it has given that how to display a group of words separated from each other. When we want to display a group of words or group of things separated from each other, how to do this? Then you need a special symbol, that is third bracket. Okay. Obviously at first PR command is needed to display that, then PR. Then only in this manner, just follow the thing, whatever is written. First only if you need PR command. In this manner, you just do the things and press enter key. A group of words or a group of text, group of things separated from each other will be printed there. See, I have written already a group of words like that, never escape learning, which three of them are separated from each other. So what did I do? First PR, then a blank space, third bracket, never, one space escape, one space learning, then third bracket close. Then if I press enter key, see, the group of words has come in this manner. So when you print group of letters, one side double quote needs. When we print group of words, then third bracket is needed. Next command is show. Then one example as given here, by that way you can find out the difference between print and show. Both of them are used to display the things or print the things, but the difference is, as you can see, if you give show, then the things is within third bracket. With the third bracket, along with the third bracket, the numbers or whatever is there will be printed. But if you give print, then group of numbers, except the third bracket, the rest of the things or the numbers will be printed. That is the difference. If you want to print the numbers along with the bracket, then you need show command. If you want to print the group of numbers there, then you need only print commands. Okay. Next command is there, first. What is the function of first command? First commands gives you the output of the first element of the given input. What does it mean? That means if you give print, obviously print command is needed to print something, then the command first, then some of the numbers or some of the things within third bracket, then what is the first element that will be printed there. As like if it is number, so book has covered it with the third bracket 7, 8, 9. So what is the first one? 7. That's why 7 has printed. Then print first a word by. What is the first letter there? B. That's why B is printed. That means first command is used to display the first element from a group of objects. See, I have written here the command print, then first, then by, one side double quote, and at last enter. What is the first letter here? B. That's why B has printed. So in this manner you can try the other words also. Next the command is first. So what is the difference between first and first? First command only going to display the first element, but the first command, if we add S after first, then first commands output a list containing the first word of each item. See, there are two kinds of item separated from each other. One kind of item is ASD, another is 456. So if you give show firsts or print first, then only the first element of two parts will be printed there. See here, first command I have written twice, with print and with show. So what is the difference? You can see, if I give print first, then two group of elements, then what are the first element, that is 1 and 4 is being printed there without any symbol. But when we are writing the same things with show command, show first 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, what happened there? The first element 1 and 4 has come here with a special symbol, that is third bracket. Understood the difference between the use of show and print command? So this much is for today's video class. So I hope you have understood this. What is your work or job is now? You have to practice the commands up to first. You have to practice the commands up to first. By using your own initiative, you just prepare this kind of group of words or sentences to use such kind of commands. Then the things will be memorized, and the rest one, what are there in the books, you can grab those very easily. So thank you for today.